This is Rohit Kumar. I hope that you all are doing really very well. So let's start today's video. This is the day 2 of my YouTube channel. So in this video we will make another exercise model in SolidWorks. The version that I'm using is SolidWorks 2022. This is a little bit better than the previous version, but you can do whatever version you have. So let's start. In my previous video I have shown you that what is the use of these three icons. So we will start with this one, control new. You can also click control plus N, which is the same as it is. So simply go here and click on new. Now here you have to select part and make this one okay. Now come down here, we will get a option for selecting dimensions. So we need to select mmgs because we are going to work on millimeters. Okay, so now here we need to select a plane. So let's start with the top front plane. Select the front plane, go here, make a sketch like come here. First select midpoint line because we need equal lines, because we need the dimension of line on both sides to be equal. So simply go here. You can also use another options, but this is a little bit easier. Okay, now here you have to select, you have to make a relation. Now here our relation is already done, which is horizontal. Now we just need to select the dimension, make this one 50, which is 5 centimeter. Okay, now again come here, then select a center line or construction line and make a line exactly perpendicular to this. Now here you see this is a little bit tilt in one direction, it is not vertical, perpendicular. So go here and make the relation vertical. Now here you see there is vertical, here is the relation for vertical. This one is line 2 and this one is line 1. Okay, again come here and make a line like this. From here come, now here come here, you will see this blue line. This shows that your both the point of both the lines are on the same point or same position. So come here and make a line exactly equal to this. Come here and make it like this. Here you see the blue line, like this, and just make this one okay. Now we need to select a we need to give some dimension, make this one 5. Okay, now close this one, also close this one too. Now here you see this is a closed drawing. Now we need to give some dimension to this one. Come here and give dimension. How much dimension we need? No, we don't need to do this. Simply go on smart dimension, select this point and select this line. Okay, and give this one 30. Okay, let's make with this one 15. 15 and come here. Take the circle. We need circle, just circle. Come here and make a circle like this and make this one like this. Now here you see it's done. Make this one okay. Again come here. From this point here, from this point, make exactly a plain line, a straight line like this, and connect it to this point, this line, and make this one okay. Now we need, what we need to do? Go to trim entities. We need to trim this one. Simply trim all this. Now here you see. Again come here. What we need to do? Go to mirror entities and select this thing. Go to mirror about. Here this is the median line, middle line, and we need to mirror this one about here. So simply click on this. Now here you see it get copied, it get mirrored. Again go to trim entities and trim all this. Now here you see this is the closed drawing. Again here you see this is the sketch fillet. We need to make a fillet. Select this one and also select this one. Make this one 5. And also select this one and make this one 5. Now here you see, and make this one okay. Now again what we need to do, again take another circle and make a circle like this. Now we need to give some dimension, diameter to this one too. So make this one 25. Okay, why 25? Because the diameter of this outer circle is 30. We just need a 5 mm space, 5 mm thickness. Okay, select here, go here and go to extruded boss base. In feature section you need to select extruded boss base, but it's going in this direction. We need to make equal on both directions. So how? Go here on this section. Now here when you will click on this, you will get multiple options. You need to select mid plane. Now what is the use of mid plane? This is the use of mid plane. Your drawing will automatically get in the between of this thing, and whatever the dimension you will select, it will goes in both the direction equally, right? We need to make this one 30. uh, 30, let's make 30. Yeah, 30 looks better, and make this one okay. Now here you see, again what we need to do? Nothing. Simply come here. This time come to fillet and make 10. Take this one, make a fillet this on this side also, and this side, and this side also. Now here you see, and make this one okay. Now here you see, this is the close drawing. Now what we need to do? We need to do nothing, right? We need to do nothing. We just need to make a groove here. Actually, don't make a groove. Don't need to make any kind of groove here. But let's change the dimension of this thing. So how you can edit the radius of fillet here? How? So come here and fillet. When you click here, it here is an option called edit feature. So simply go here and click on edit feature. Now here you see, from this portion, from this option you can edit whatever you want. Okay, simply make this one 5. Now here you see it get edited, and make this one okay. Now here we need to make holes. So how? Come here, sketch. Okay, just leave it. Make it done. Now here you see this drawing is done. Now we need to make holes here. So how? Let's use a simple trick. Not one by one, we will do it together. So go on hole wizard, select hole wizard. Now here you will see there are multiple options. We need to select this one, a counter bore. So select counter bore. Now what is the use of counter bore? Counter bore is a option from which you can make holes with some head. Okay, so we need a hole of 5 mm. So here you see, here are multiple options, multiple dimensions. You have to select as per you need. We are going to select M5. Okay, come down here and through all. These are through all. Now here you see, not this one, make this one 7. Okay, make this one 7 and make this one 2. Here you can see edit every option. Okay, all the options. Now how will implement this thing on multiple sides? So come here, position, and select this one. Now here you see, again come here, select it on this point and make now here when you will click come to this curve, you will get a option, the median point. You will get a median point. So simply come here. Here is the median point. Again do the same here also. Here are the median point. Again median point, and again come here and make this one okay. Now here you see, and make this one okay. Now here you see there's something wrong, and the wrong is with this thing. No need to worry. Again come here, make sketch. Again come to the circle. Here you see, select the median point and make a circle exactly to the diameter of this thing. Now here you see, again do it one by one. Why I'm doing this thing? Because I was not able to cut the whole portion. Okay, again here come here and make a circle like this, and now here you see, again go to the feature. This time we need to select extruded cut because we are going to trim this additional portions, the extra parts. Okay, go to extruded cut. Now here you see, no need to select mid plane, just select blind. Okay, select up to next. Here we need to select up to surface. Let's select up to surface and select this surface. Now here you see. Now we also need to cut upward direction. We need to cut the part in upward direction. So how? Here you will see two direction 2. So come here, make this one okay. Now here you see. Now what is the use of this yellow part, yellow portion? This yellow portion shows that on which part and how much it's going to impact. It's going to make impact and how it's going to work. What kind of effect it will make on your part. This is and that's the use of this yellow parts. Now here you see, and simply make this one okay. Now here you see. So here is our simple mechanical part is done. Now we need to make some fillets here. So come here. Not fillet, let's make chamfer. We need to make some chamfer here. You can also make fillet, but we will make fillet on this corner. But here we need to make chamfer. So come here, make this one 2 mm. This is the dimension of chamfer. Okay. So select here. Now here you see. I already had told you that this yellow part shows that on how much it is going to impact and on how on which part this thing is going to work and whatever. So here you see. There's also another way. Not do one by one, just go and click on the internal part and make this one okay. Now here you see how it looks. Again, no need to make anything like this. Here is our final model. In this video, we learned a very simple thing that how to make a simple part. This part is called pipe wall mount. Okay. I hope that you already have seen this thing. Plumbers are using this kind of things to mount pipes on walls. So here this is the use of this part and today's video is done. Here we learned a new thing, how to make a simple part in SolidWorks. This video is a little bit interesting, so I hope you like the video. So don't forget to what you have to do. Just go and subscribe. So this is done for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.